Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear beloved brothers and sisters, welcome to my this video. So this is MD Bilal Mia from Instant Face, and this are also I believe so you right now you see watching this video on the YouTube. So YouTube our YouTube channel name is also Instant. So brothers and sister, welcome our channel. So brothers and sisters, this is MD Bilal Mia. I am a English teacher of English training stations. It is a online-based educational website, educational institution. So that's why it is educational website, because you know this. I am a English content creator, also I'm an English teacher. So that's why I make lots of content in English. That's why so that you easily learn English. So brothers and sisters, today I want to talk about kindergarten that is started in our hometown, especially in my village. So you know that I am resident of Madarpur, my hometown Madarpur. So Kadirpur in one of Madarpur. So my village name is Munshi Kadirpur, Kadir Munshi Gandhi. So there are three schools. The first name is 48 Nong Government Primary School, and second school name is Hirobat Kindergarten and Cadet Madrasa, and third school name is Dr. Fuad International's Madrasa, but it is not Madrasa, it is like kindergarten. So that's why we call it is schools, but not called madrasa. So today I want to talk about a school. That school name is Little But Kindergarten and Cadet Madrasa. It is also named Cadet Madrasa, but it is not madrasa. It is just like a school. So that's why we call it is a kindergarten school. So its first name was kindergarten, but second the reform remnant they at the cadet madrasa, but it is not cadet madrasa, it is just school. So brothers and sister, today we talk about this school. So it is built 2012 by our socialist person and the local leaders and local businessmen and local distinguished persons. They reform this they build this school together, but after 10 years most of the founder of this school they leave from their position. So right now this schools conducted by two people. The first name is health assistant Dr. Ismail Hussain, and second the Yusuf Madbor. He is the owner of this land. So that's why they are two people together conduct these schools. The main conductor of this school is Ismail, health assistant Ismail Hussain. So why I talk about this school? Because I know about this school, because you know that I am a English teacher. But how and when I start my these professions? So I start this professions 2023 in June. So that's why my journey was begin under this schools. So that's why I knew about this school. So that's why today I talk about this school. So this school established 2012, and this school right now continue their produce and their activity of educations. So brothers and sister, it is a primary level school. You call say it is primary school, but it is a private school. So that's why village people's very interested to kindergarten. So today talk about this point. You know that kindergarten is a popular school in our country. Mm, most of the medium and raised person they mm, send their children to kindergarten because they believe kindergarten is best school in our country, and kindergarten's authority, kindergarten's teachers, they very careful about their children. That's why they send their children to kindergarten school. So you know that kindergarten school, their the first class begins Pele. So Pele means it is the first class of kindergarten schools. So uh, when children can able admit to Pele, so when children can able to talk and they walk, so then these children able to get admission to class play, because when children can able to talk, so this time the kindergarten's teachers able to teach them. They teach them carefully and gradually. So that's why they be careful uh, about these children, and they teach them very carefully and very through the enjoyable environment. They make a conversation that every children, every student, they are very be carefully attentive to their teachers, to their ma'am, to their guide, mentors, because the mentors make a situation that every children feel happy, every children very glad to enjoy this moment, because you know that if little kindergartens they private school, so that's why they have to be careful about his children, about his class, and everything going under the be careful, because when public or parents identified some wrong, so they leave these schools for their wrong. So that's why every authority and teacher they are very careful about this, because when parents or public identify or finding some wrong, so that's why this wrong will be reason for reduce their students. So they are very careful about this. So second is, we know that the most of the raised or medium raised person they send their children to Tijolbat kindergarten, but you know that it is a private school, so that's why if you send, if you want to send your children to kindergarten, so that's why you have to spend a lot of money to your children, because you have to pay education fee, admission fee, or you have to buy your children books, diary, etc. Everything together make a big expensive for education. So that's why village people, most of the people not able to send their children to little kindergarten, but in motherhoods they are able, because you know that most of the residents of motherhoods, especially young boy, they gone to abroad for mm, their work purpose. They earn to money. They earn to money. So that's why they believe Bangladesh is not enough for them to earn money easily and lots. So that's why they choose go to abroad. So most of the young of motherhoods they go to abroad, like Saudi Arabia and Middle East country, and but also most motherhood is very acquainted for the remittance fighter around the Europe. So you know that Madhaipur's some village name is Europeans by the European countries like you know that's beside the Kadirpur you known a name Italy house. So this house situated beside the my house, and you when you comes to Kadirpur Bazaar, so you walk along the roads forwards Kudupur. So when you 1 minute walk from Kadirpur Bazaar, so you see the Italy house. And when you visit Shiv Church, our this sub-district's bazaar, or our sub-district name Shiv Church. So when you visit Shiv Church, so you go to, you can go the Italy village and Japan village, and also you know that in Kadirpur you have no the Kadirpur have a Japani house. So Japani house, it is situated Pavan Kandi. So if you want to go Japan house, you first arrived Kadirpur. You have to arrive Kadirpur, then you walk along the roads forwards the Manikpur Mall. So when you reach Manikpur and you turn the left and you see there's a road built east side. So when you into this road and go on the road, so when you 5 minutes walk and you reach the Akon house, Akon village or Pavanmore Kandi. So then you ask some people on the road where Japani house. So the people on the road, they show you where Japani house. So you can easily get you can easily go to Japani house. So back our topic. So topic was kindergarten. So that's why our residents of Madhaipur, they earn a lots of money. So that's why their children able to go kindergarten or private school. So right now around the ships are lots of private school built for these reasons, and most of the kindergarten they performance well and they bring well-being and they bring good result and they join their students join to public evaluations and they acquire good result and for these reasons our education officers officers they appreciate our kindergarten and private schools. So brothers and sisters, Littlebird Kindergarten, it is situated in the middle of the Kadirpur. It is just situated beside the Kadirpur Bazaar, and you can say it is situated Kadirpur Bazaar, situated between the Kadirpur Bazaar and Nuru Market House or Nuru Market Masjid. So when you arrive Kadirpur Bazaar, so you walking along the roads forwards Manikpur More. So you first say when you left, when you go along the roads, so you see first road that's built west side. This road go west side. So the Littlebird Kindergarten exactly situated one near this road, close to this road. So you first look and look, boards, there's boards, uh, usual but kindergarten boards. So you see the little birds kindergarten school. Cities looks beautiful. You know that cities have a beautiful view. It is environment is very clean and neat, and it's have a beautiful gardens, uh, 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 play field. So the students enjoy this field to play, and this view, overall view good because it is a village view, and it is also beautiful for this garden because it is have a flower gardens. So it's most beautiful for his followers, and also it is have a beautiful for it is two house. So first both are built by chain steel, and it's have a 8 teachers. They are teach their students and 100 of our students. So when I was teaching in these schools, I enjoy this school because it's all teachers. They are friendly. They are very close and friendly. They have no jealous, and they have no any violence. Yes, to one. Everyone respect another. So I enjoy these schools, and also the students very polite, loyal, and very good. So that's why when we teach them, so every students follow us, and they try to their homework, daily homework, and the parents of these schools and guides, they are very respectful to their students, teachers, and also the teacher. The 8 teacher, they are very polite and loyal for this school service, and they are very respectful their students, parents, and there was be careful for students futures, and they try to be carefully teach them their abilities on their students. And especially we have to talk about the conductor of these schools, the health assistant Ismail sir. He was a very talented and be careful about these schools. So he every day visit these schools, and they try to know about this school where have whether violence or something happened wrong or right. And so they try to every day visit this school to know something about this school. And also we have to talk about some children. There was a very good student. So we have to talk first talk the first girl was first name was Minha Akhtar. He was a very talented and intelligent girl in our school. He was very good at math. So that's why when I teach her math, so easily understand every solutions of math. So that's why I have to appreciate this girl. It is especially we have to say she was very talented. And also the second girl is Fiz Akhtar, who was very talented in English. We have to appreciate for English performance. We have to. He was very talented for his English performance. And third girl's name is Nazmun Nahar, who was also their overall performance was good. Nazmun Nahar also good at math and especially Neha was a very beautiful for his education plans because his handwriting was very beautiful. So this Thiriga was very good in my teaching life. So dear sisters, if you love kindergarten, so you should your children into kindergarten. So I asked to all people of Kadirpur, if you love kindergarten and if you love your children, so you should consider kindergarten. Kindergarten is very careful your children. So thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.